You've seen her, the woman who walks into a room and everybody pays attention to her. And she's not even the most beautiful one. That attraction is a very specific kind of energy. And it was never about the beauty. It was a force a woman could carry. This rune formula will invoke this energy into you. Later in the video I will show you how to use it. The runes are Berkana, Gebo, Lagus, Unio. The rune Berkana is the rune of the female energy, the general rune of the female archetype, the rune of gentleness, the rune of caring, the rune of beauty and love. The rune Gebo is the rune of communication with other people, the rune of working with other people and overall being in harmony with the people around you. The rune Lagus is the rune of the flow, rune of water, rune of an uninterrupted flow of energy, also related to the goddess Freya, which is represented by rune Berkana, and the rune Lagus specifically means different magical and trance states. The rune Unio is the rune of the joy, happiness and just pleasant communication with other people. So together these four runes will invite attractiveness to you, will invite pleasant communication and feminine energy, and also the rune Lagus will ensure that there is some kind of a mystical, unknowable energy about you that strongly attracts people to you. An appropriate incantation for this rune formula could be like this, that by the power of these runes my feminine energy is empowered, I am beautiful, I am attractive, and I am fascinating to people. So be it. Download my free runes PDF file with rune meanings, rune formulas and rune spreads. The link is in the description or on my profile page. Now, how do you activate the rune formula? Draw the runes on a piece of paper, then take a candle in a candle holder, put it on top of your paper, say your incantation, and then light the candle. Let the candle burn down completely. After that, the amulet is activated and ready. For more detailed instructions, get my Rune Magic Quick Start course. It's a short, value-packed video course that will answer all your questions and enable you to start doing rune magic today.